Hi, I'm Kayla Drake, and this is video topic number 2 for Intro to Logic and Critical Thinking B-Term. This week's question is asking us to define truth and then to further explain how our definition of truth would affect our understanding of logic and how to use logic in argumentation. According to our book by Peter Kreeft, truth is something that can only be found in judging, judgments, and propositions. There are two kinds of truth: ontological truth, which is the truth in things, and propositional truth, which is logical truth. Truth is our mind conforming to the thoughts of things, placing our mind to reality, and placing our thought subjects to our thoughts objects. Above all of this, though, I would say that truth began with God and can be ultimately learned and taught through His Word, the Bible. The most obvious way to me that our definitions of truth could affect our understanding of logic and how we use that in argumentations is that if we all have different definitions of what is true or not, we would never be able to grow intellectually, be able to see the flaws in our own arguments, or even be able to persuade other people differently about their arguments. Another thing that could affect our arguments are how we choose to put together our premises. Even though our premises could be true statements, that does not mean that our conclusion would also be true. For example, one premise could be that all dogs are animals. The second premise would be that all horses are animals. This would then make the conclusion that all horses are dogs, which we know to be invalid. Just because we know some things to be true does not mean that all of our arguments will then also be true. In conclusion, ultimate truth can be found in the Bible and can be defined by judging, judgments, and propositions. And our definitions of truth can affect our arguments by how we choose to set up our premises and how we choose to hear other people's arguments.